Let's start. The project name is Custom Radio Button. Let's see the project structure. Here we have a main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. In the drawables, we have two images. We will use this image when the radio button is unchecked. And we will use this image when the radio button is checked. Also, we have a radio_button_background XML file. This file identifies if the radio button is checked or unchecked, and shows the icon accordingly. If the radio button is checked, we show this icon. And if the radio button is unchecked, we show this icon. Let's see the UI now. This square frame is a radio group. And we have two radio buttons, A and B. Let's see the code. Here, we have constraint layout as the root layout. This is the radio group, which has the two radio buttons. This is the radio button A. Here, we have set the button attribute to radio_button_background XML file. This is the radio button B. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app_compat activity. Also, the main activity implements the onClick listener, which has an onClick function, that we will see later. Here we have three radio buttons, A, B, and a third one called radio button checked. We will use this one to check which radio button the user has clicked. This is the radio group. In onCreate function, we have set the onClick listeners of both the radio buttons. In onClick function, first we find out the ID of the radio button that is clicked by the user. Then, using this ID, we will fetch the radio button that is checked by the user. At last we will show the radio button's name in the toast. Let's run the app. You can see that, when I check the radio button A, its icon changes to a custom image that we have provided. And same with radio button B. So that's it. That's how you can implement a custom radio button in Java Android. Thanks for watching.